Here on Geoff's T-Bird, we have our dash pad. It's very nice, very well done, ready to go. Getting ready to pop this baby in. First thing we gotta do is we gotta trim out here for our radio, which won't take us too long because it's already trimmed on the back side. So it's already cut out back here in the metal. So we just need to open up our same holes we had, cut this out, slide that baby in. Alright, so we got our radio mocked, and we're gonna need to adjust our depth again, because we had this for the other setup with the really crappy dash cover. So we're gonna take and pull this back out, adjust our nuts up, because we're gonna put on our knobs. Yeah, we got a ways to go. Now, boys and girls, is how you hit a radio. Fit perfectly. Looking good. Alright, our radio wiring is where it needs to be. Our radio's looking splendid, by the way. We also have our fan and heat controls and wiring all done. I just gotta throw some bulbs in there, and I can button that all up. And we'll begin working our way over this direction. So we need to put the cluster in. Before we do that, we do need to trim up here so we can access our tabs. Just get it nice and trimmed out around here and ready. And we can get our cluster situated and put in today. Get that done. Get the tilt-away column situated again. Just all kinds of stuff we gotta do. It's a bigger project than we initially thought, but be worth it in the end when it looks really good.